to upload a document like a PDF to Canva. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva for their book marketing, and in this case, for their book publishing. So start with your design, open your design, go to Uploads, Upload Files, find your file, and just hit Upload. And that's all there is to it. And it should appear here. If you want to do an upload from your homepage, you can do that too. Go to the Canva homepage, go to Upload, Add Media, Upload Files, find your file, double click on it, and upload. If you upload PDFs, they tend to end up here in the projects bit rather than inside your file. But PNGs, JPEGs, videos, everything else appears here when you click on Uploads. The question for this arose in the context of making paperback book covers and how you upload the PDF that you get from the KDP template designer into Canva. So this is how you do it. You go to your KDP template designer, download your templates, PDF and PNG, and then you can upload them into Canva, and then you can work. I have a more detailed video on this. The link is just at the top there. You can follow along. I go through the whole process of designing the paperback book cover and getting it uploaded to Canva. If you found this useful, tell all your friends, and I will see you in the next video.